Hello guys, it's LaFinchy, where I make videos about all things history. Now, I decide I'm gonna do a cartography video. If you don't know what cartography is the study of maps and drawing them, which is exactly what I'm going to do, specifically the African continent. So, I can teach you how to. So you'll need a piece of paper and something to draw with. It can be a pencil, a crayon, basically anything. But because I'm confident, I'm just going to use a pen. A felt tip pen. So firstly is the orientation. Should you do it landscape or portrait? Well, it just depends on the overall shape of the continent, of the land you're drawing. Since it's Africa, which is mostly a vertical continent, we'll be doing a portrait. So, first I like drawing Morocco first. So, I like doing jagged lines. So we'll do a bit of a depression here, yeah, and then we'll do this thing on the street, at the Strait of Gibraltar, and then we'll be going with this dome, and wave, and going again. And we'll be stopping at around here. Then we'll be doing a huge curve here. And then we'll be doing a sort of round shape. And then we'll go to Liberia, and then Cote d'Ivoire, and then Ghana, Togo and Benin, and then we go to Nigeria, where we do this circular shape, and then we go here into Gabon, and then into the Congo, and then we go to Angola and do another depression, and then here into Namibia, and then we'll be doing this thing for Cape Town. Now we're in South Africa. Do a steady rise, and just in Port Elizabeth we'll be, and just here we'll be doing sharpening the rise here. And then we'll be doing this curvy thing again for Mozambique. And then this vague but very long curve. Now we're in the Horn of Africa. We're doing this fairly straight diagonal line. Then we're doing a straight line. Then we'll be going here. Then we'll be just doing this bay. This is where Djibouti is. Now we're going into Eritrea. A sharp rise. So then we go into the Sudan, and then into Egypt, where we stop here. Now, we could do the Sinai Peninsula and even the Middle East, but we're just focusing on Africa, not Asia, so we're not gonna do this part. So we'll be doing this circular shape, and then this, and then this almost circular shape where Cyrenica is. And then we'll be doing a diagonal line here. And now we're going to connect this line with this line. So we're going to create a curve here. And then we're going to create Tunis. So we'll be doing a dome shape. Then this little peninsula. And then another dome shape. And thus we roughly drawn the mainland. Now it's time to add some islands. I could draw the Cape Verde, but I can't fit that on here since the western edge of Africa is literally on this edge of the page. But we'll be doing Sao Tome and Principe. And then we'll be doing this island that belongs to Equatorial Guinea, which also holds the capital. And then we're going to do Zanzibar. And then we're going to draw Madagascar. So we're going to do all these spikes, and then do this diagonal line, and then going straight there. And then going with this one, we're going to do this curve, and then here, now we're drawing Madagascar. Then we're going to do Mauritius. Okay, so I already drawn Mauritius. And also I drawn Comoros, those 3 islands, and Mayotte. But after filming this video, there's something I almost forgot. The other features. So I went to cut the rest of this video. So that's why I cut it off. Sorry. But let's chat more drawing. So first, we're going to draw Lake Chad. It's about right here. So it kind of looks a little bit like a fidget spinner. Yeah, kind of like that. And next we're going to do Lake Victoria. So first we're going to do a sort of curved diagonal line here. Then another sort of curved diagonal horizontal line here. Then another sort of curved horizontal line here. Then another sort of curved diagonal line here. Creating a sort of square shape. Then next we're going to add 2 lakes that kind of look like peas, like a pea pod. So there's Lake Tanganyika, which is just here from Zanzibar. Yeah, it's just near Tanzania. And then there's Lake Malawi. And then we can also add the Nile River Delta. And maybe we could even draw the Nile River. Going straight into the River Delta. But why leave it just the Nile River? Let's do the Niger River. Not to be confused with the N-word, of course. You wouldn't want to say that. And then we can also add the Congo River. And in this part, one side is Kinshasa and the other side is Brazzaville. And that's probably the only rivers we're going to draw. And then we can do some then we can do a mountain range. Then you can add some mountain ranges. I'm going to add the Atlas Mountains. There. So that's basically how you draw Africa. Although I did miss some things, like Cape Verde, because it's literally on the side of the map, and then and there's Reunion and Seychelles, which I'm not gonna do. So sorry for all of you Reunionians and Seychellians out there. So basically, that's how you draw Africa. As you can see, I usually draw my maps with jagged lines instead of straight ones. It just adds more detail and realism to it. So please like and subscribe and share this video with all of your friends and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a video I upload. Also, if you want me to teach you how to draw other parts of the world, please let me know in the comments down below. This is LaFinchy All Things History. Bye, see you tomorrow. I mean, see you in the next video. I'm so old. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and share this video with all of your friends and click the notification bell so you don't miss a video I upload. Also, if you want me to teach you how to draw other parts of the world, please let me know in the comments down below. This is LaFinchy All Things History. See you in the next video.